The Mantra Shastra is actually, it is the main thing in Tantra. In Mantra Shastra or Tantra Shastra, Srividya is the top. Srividyayatu mantrana tatra kadriyatavara. Puranam Sripuram eva Shaktinam Sri Leda yatha Srividyopasakanam cha yada devo para Shivaha. Leda Sasnam Purvartham. Srividya is the top in mantras. Tatra Kadri Yadhabara. In Srividya mantras, there are different systems are there. Kadi Vidya, Hadi Vidya, Sadi Vidya. Kadi Vidya is the top. Tatra Kadri Yadhabara. Means in Kadi Vidya, Ka is starting in Srividya mantra, Panchada Shastri, Ka. Hadi Vidya is worshipped by Lopamudra, the wife of Agastya saint. Just we have to understand what was the importance of females in Indian system. So she was a guru. No, she is a guru. Even now we are worshipping in the Okatraya Gurus, Lopamudra Mai. So Tatra Kadri Yathabara Puranam Sripuram eva. Sripuram is the Jagrata Sapna Sushupti. We have discussed many times about that. Shaktinam Sri Lilita Tavira Sundari. Srividyopasakanam Shiva is the best. Means we have to be Shiva and worship Shakti. Shiva is always worshipping Shakti. So, this is very important. The mantras, how the mantras are working, we have to understand. The mantra have two different phases, Vakyam and Vajakam. Artha Prapancham and Shabda Prapancham. So Vak, the word have 5 levels, that is in the from the Mooladhara, the base level, Para, from come to above portion, it is come to Pashyanti, then come to Madhyama, then come outside as a word, the sound. Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama, come to outside, that is Vaikhari. At a time, it is starting from Para, slowly it is come to formation of the vibration. It will turn to Nadam. Then it will separate slowly. Nadam, Bindu, Kala also. Says. The energy is starting from inside. Actually, at least we have to understand the first level manifestation. It is starting from Ichha Shakti. Example, we discussed that example. The Ichha Shakti is starting first. You look at a car of your neighbor, the desire is starting as Ichha Shakti. Then you will Google and you can understand I will get a car from there. Rating and every star rating, everything. That is Jnana Shakti. It's turning into Jnana Shakti. The Shakti is there. The form is Jnana. To give the gold biscuit, the smith will create an ornaments and retain. Then the gold is also there, the ornaments is also there. Both in one piece. You can see. The same way, the form of the Ichha Shakti turned to Jnana Shakti. then you will go and purchase the car and drive, then it will come to Kriya Shakti. We are forgetting all of these things. We started to count from outside of that, manifestation of that. When we will drive the car, then the energy will come to outer world through our hands as Kriya Shakti. Then we will on the lights, indicators of the car, it will turn to electrical energy. When we will apply the brake, it will come to potential energy. When we will do the gear change, it will turn to mechanical energy. Then we will operate in the steering, it will turn to kinetic energy. We are learning only these external things, but nothing is like that, simply external. No, everything is, an atom bomb is happening from the mind of a person. The energy is sitting inside of a person. So that is the importance of mantras. Mantras can do anything. We can understand, learn properly. Mantras can do miracles in life. In my experience, it is 100% real. It can do anything. It can influence the outer world deeply. You can understand and learn about that and practice about that, not by the bookish knowledge. In our daily life, we have to practice. Srividya is learning through the practice. So the mantra, when come to higher level, para, pachanti, madhyama, vaikhari, inside it is the inside level, it is nadam, bindu, kala. Then come to indu, rodhini, nadam, nadandam, shakti, vyabhiga, samana, unmini. This unmani, that is mano unmani. Nilasasram names are there. Mano unmani, Mohammadaj. It is come to heart, above, come to here. We can experience the hollow space. We can understand inside also hollow. Nothingness is there. So that is Dahara Agasham. So the mantras are working in that level. We cannot say mantra is inside or outside. I'm talking to you. From my awareness to your awareness, the mantras, it is a mantra, vibrations. We cannot say it is inside or outside. It is a connecting thing. So in Srividya system, the Panchadashi is the main mantra. If you are okay, then you can come to level of Panchadashi. But Bala Mantram, you have to properly get the connection, the activation of Shiva Bodha, the awareness level. Then you can go to Panchadashi. Otherwise, some problems may happen. So properly you have to go. Akshar Laksham Mantra Purascharanam we need 444 times of each mantras from basic level to higher level, 4 lakhs as per the Akshar Laksham. So we have a common platform. Normally the mantra Purascharanam we have to do Akshar Laksham numbers of mantra. If Panchakshari have 5 syllables, 5 letters, that's why we have to chant 5 lakhs time. So Jabam, Homam, 1 in 10, Homam, Tarpanam, Marjanam, Brahmana Bhojanam. But the Sutra says if you cannot do that, you just chant double time. It is okay. Because we have to go in a practical way. If you take a book and blindly follow the system, It will not work. We have to look Desakala Adhikari Yogam. Who how to do, when how to do, where we have to do. As per the time we have to change some aspects we can change, but something we cannot change. You are a yogi, you are going to be a yogi. Then we have to go to internal worship. The external things we can take importance for something. If you do Abhishek on Sri Yandra 40 years, 60 years, what will happen? Blindly, nothing. Some bliss may come, but it is not correct. It will not help to go to higher level of meditation. We cannot go to Samayachara. All system, Dashnajaram, Vamajaram, Misrajaram, everything is ending in Samayachara. In Samayachara, the worship is starting from heart chakra only, actually. No, the Ganapati is very low importance in Muladhara, is very low importance in Samayachara. It is pure meditation, Raja Yoga meditation. Inviting to chakras and giving puja for Devi. So it is purely meditation. That is our aim. But we have to overcome the mind. How? The activation of senses. Through the Anavopayam, we have to activate the senses. Through the puja, it is hidden by the thought process. For that disturbance, we are giving a figure of Devi. Then the mind will rotate behind that figure. Then we can bypass the energy. Actually, the figure is a tactics. This is a fake, something to fake in the mind. Actually, Devi is not like this, a woman, but we can connect in the form of mother more and more. We can have bhakti. Bhakti is very important. We cannot go in scientific exercise through the Sri Vidya. The surrendering or bhakti is very helpful to surrender to God. Bhakti is very, very important. Bhakti is giving the jnana. The ego is giving the ajnana. So that way, for that is the reason we are giving a figure. After sometimes the figure will vanish itself. So Shiva Tattva, that's why the mentioning the Sri Ganda Artha Sharirine, Shiva Saitya Rupini. Devi is Shiva and Shakti. Both joined version is Devi. So we have to know about the mantras. The three kudas are there. That is Vagbhava Gudam, Kandha Adha Kadiparyanta Madhya Gudam. From neck to down portion, it is Madhya Gudam or Kamaraja Gudam. Great Icha, that is Kamarajam Gudam. From the below portion is Shakti Gudam.